Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to take you around a quick tour of my front garden. As you can see, these are my hollyoaks. They've all been sprayed for rust. As I'll show you on some of the bottom leaves. You can see there. That's all been treated. These are some snapdragons from last year. About 3 foot high, looking absolutely gorgeous. Everything's doing really well. This is the first day we've really not had any rain, so Foxgloves, Light Dicentra, Bleeding Heart. These are my pinks. Need a bit of damage, as you can see. Pests, lily beetles, all been treated. I think I'm probably most proud of this year is these delphiniums that I've grown from seed. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. They'll need staking the next few days. The tree I've pruned back. Here's some perennial poppies, the Oriental Poppy. These were grown from seed a few years ago. It's like an off-white with a slight pink tinge to it. Some beautiful lilies. They'll be nice and scented when they come out. Hey up, Jack. How are you, Snowy? You alright? These bearded irises, I got these from some of my neighbours. Been probably the best year for them this year. Absolutely stunning. White foxgloves. Take you around to the front. This is a plant, it's a carpet of gold. Absolutely stunning. This beautiful delphinium with a white centre. And let's take you through to these. Give you a shot of my garden. Any questions or anything, don't hesitate to ask. Well, these are stocks white. These are beautiful and scented. And some poppies that sell seed in the front. So if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you, bye.